Hey, hi everyone. I'm AI Automation Engineer at Optimworks. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step procedure like how to build your first AI agent using n8n. Before going to the n8n first, let me briefly tell you about what is an AI agent. Like in simple words, AI agent is like a worker that can think, observe, and take actions on behalf of us to complete our tasks. Say suppose we have LLMs like ChatGPT, Gemini, right? If we ask them, like go to this website, get the details, and email me those details, it just gives us the information about the website details, but it cannot directly go to the email and send us the email. So here comes the AI agent. So here they have using LLMs like ChatGPT or Gemini AI and connect with external tools like email, Zira, and whatever the tools we want to get our work done. So basically, AI agent is like connecting the tools with the LLMs like brain to get our work done. So in n8n, we can create multiple AI agents. So let me quickly walk you through about what is an AI agent and what are the topics present in that n8n AI agent. I'm going to cover these contents. So here we'll be having introduction to n8n, nodes and workflows, setup, and we'll be creating our first workflow. So here, what is n8n? n8n is a powerful automation tool that helps us connect with different applications and nodes to automate our tasks using workflows. Like without writing much code, we can create many workflows. Like it is a low code tool. We can just drag and drop the nodes and connect with them together to get us work to get our work done. So it will be a very low code tool. It doesn't need any coding background to work on it. And also here we can connect many apps like Jira, Gmail, Sheets. So here we will be using many tools. Like we'll be having many list of tools where we can use to automate our task to get our work done. So here in this n8n, we'll be having nodes and workflows. Like a node is a single task in automations. Like each and every node has its own job to do. So for example, one node like this email node we'll be having. This is used to send an email. HTTP request node, it is used to calls an API. And webhook node, it is used to receive a data. So each and every node has its own work to do. So we'll be having different kinds of nodes like Jira to create a Jira ticket and to get the details. So here we'll be connecting all our nodes. So here this workflow is like it's just steps connected together like nodes, like one by one we'll be having different types of nodes, right? So one by one we'll be connecting those nodes. So this we can call it as a workflow. Like step one, like whenever the step one happens, then it goes to the step two, then step three. So it's just like nodes connected together like a chain. So here we can see like how we can set up this n8n. So first we need to navigate to this URL. There we need to create one account. And after creating an account, we can start creating our workspace. So here I'll show you that. So basically this is how it looks like whenever we are creating any workflow. So this we can name it as some test workflow. So this is the editor one. So the first step we need to add is a trigger. Like this trigger is like a starting point of the workflow. So here we will be having many types of triggers. Like we have trigger manually. So trigger manually is like whenever after connecting all nodes together, whenever we click on this execute workflow, then only it will execute. Or else we'll be having many triggers. Like we'll be having chart trigger. Chart trigger is nothing but whenever we gave any chart prompt here, like hi or like that. So whenever we gave any prompt, then this will trigger this workflow. And after adding this trigger, there will be a special node that you can think like it is an AA agent. So here we can call our agent. So yeah, this is how we can add this AI agent. So basically what it does is like it takes the prompt, like whatever the user gives in this chat message, this AI agent will take it as the prompt and then it will decide what to do next. So basically it has three components like this chat model. So I told you right at the beginning, in the AI agent we will be using one brain like ChatGPT or Gemini AI. Here I am using Grok model, Grok chart model. So whenever we are creating here, so this is like I have already logged in, so it is already showing this Grok account. So whenever you are new, click on this create new credential and here give the Grok API key and click on save. So yeah, here we can select the model. Now I'm using this 3.37 Beavers 10 model and here yeah. So your Grok model is added here in this chat model. So this is our LLM. This is the memory. So it remembers the past messages or conversations which was happened earlier. And here, this is the tool. Here we can add whatever the tool we need. Like suppose if I want to send an email, so I can use email node. So, so here, if I want to send email, then I can use this Gmail node. So in my case, like I want to create an AI agent that can create a bug in Jira. So here I'm taking a Jira tool and here actually I have already logged in, so it is already showing my account. If you are new you can click on this create new credential and then you can add the email you are using to create an account, sorry, to create a bug. And here you can give a Jira API token and the domain. See, the domain is like for every board. Here we can see like this is the domain. So this part we need to give it here and then click on save, then it will saved and here the operation is create, like we are creating a bug, right? So we are creating it. So and also here if we have any projects in that domain, so we can select like in which project we need to create a bug. So I'm going to create a bug in this QA testing project and here what is the type, like I want to create a bug, so I'm selecting bug and this summary is like I'm giving an AI agent to decide that summary, like let model decide the summary. And after, so here we click on this, so here the Jira tool get added successfully. And now so here I have already configured this chat message and this AI agent. To this AI agent we need to give some prompt like here in the option sections we need to select the system message and here we need to add our prompt like you are a Jira assistant which access to Jira tools. And here I am saying that when user asks to create a ticket, extract the issue summary from the message and call the create tool. So return the ticket. Like if the ticket is created, then return this. So this is how I gave the prompt. And then here I give. So now in this chat, this is the chat. Like suppose I gave like please create, here I have given that please create one bug in Jira that login is not working properly in Flipkart. So whenever I click on send, then Grok agent here it is running and in Jira it created an issue. Like it gave message ticket created successfully, like login is not working in Flipkart.com. So we can see whether that bug is created or not. So we can go to this Jira board and then if I click on refresh, then we can see here login not working in Flipkart.com. So this is how agent like n8n we can use to create bugs or to send any emails. So whatever the task we want, we can just use this n8n AI agent so that we can just drag and drop. Like there is no need of coding. We can just drag and drop and we can get our work done easily. That's all in this video. Thank you.